In very recent crypto news, Billy Markus, aka the mastermind behind crypto meme coin Dogecoin, retweeted Changpen Zhao's, the Binance CEO's, recent tweet regarding the meaning of the popular HODL internet meme. Zhao, however, mistook HODL for hold on for dear life, but luckily the Dogecoin CEO was quick to correct the CEO of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Stay tuned to find out everything you need to know about the Dogecoin creator schooling the Binance CEO. The creator of Dogecoin recently educated the Binance giant CEO on the history of the crypto market. Here's everything you need to know. Billy Markus, the creator of Dogecoin, referred to Binance CEO Changpen Zhao's tweet about the significance of the popular internet joke HODL, H-O-D-L. Zhao accidentally mistook the phrase HODL, thinking it meant hold on for dear life. But soon after his tweet went viral, the Dogecoin founder was quick to correct him. According to the creator of the most famous meme currency on the market, the origins of the HODL meme seem to be traced back to the once popular Bitcoin Talk forum. This forum served as a kind of safe haven for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole, back when crypto was not yet at the popular mainstream levels seen today. GameCube wrote a lengthy post about his relationship with Bitcoin assets and why he prefers to actively trade them rather than hold them. Markus claims that the person who posted the message was inebriated at the time and misspelled hold in the title, I am hodling. The hodling meme was reborn as a fully established Bitcoin trading term later on. So when should you use this term? Well, the only operations that traders employing the hodling strategy are when buying. Now, in terms of the user themselves, it has been demonstrated that the author of the post made the correct decision. Bitcoin's price began another surge in mid-2017, reaching a year-end high of $19,167. However, after the 2017 surge, the price fell again. It rose again during the COVID-19 pandemic and reached a new high of over $58,000 in early 2021. In other crypto news, which coins will survive following the mega market crash? As valuations reached new heights, the mood amongst the crypto market is consistently being compared to the craze for various dot-com companies back at the turn of the century. When the mania subsided, companies with no business model and multi-million-dollar valuations went completely bankrupt, a giant financial mess for many. The cryptocurrency markets are currently in a similar predicament. The vast majority of the 1,385 coins currently on the market are unknown, but they are being bid up to multi-billion-dollar valuations. Dogecoin, a crypto created as a joke of the Bitcoin boom, has a market capitalization of $1.6 billion. As we are writing this, there is a clear lack of addressing a defined use for plenty of these coins, which makes it confusing when trying to justify the coin's value. The boom of cryptocurrency also felt like having FOMO, fear of missing out, hence why so many people invested and jumped on the wagon. According to experts, 90% of today's cryptocurrencies will most likely not survive a market crash. Those who survive will have an advantage in the game, increasing returns for early investors. And if RBC Capital's forecast of a future $10 trillion cryptocurrency market is correct, those returns are substantial. Identifying survivors in the cryptocurrency markets, on the other hand, is more difficult than it appears. No single currency has achieved or is on the verge of achieving widespread acceptance. Even Bitcoin, the world's most valuable and widely used cryptocurrency, faces scaling issues such as high transaction fees and slow networks. So this begs the question, which cryptocurrencies will survive this insane market crash? A good place to start is with the top 20 most traded cryptocurrencies of the present day. If, and in this case, when the cryptocurrency market crashes, some notable survivors will be easy to spot on this list. First up, we have Bitcoin, which is the first cryptocurrency, and it is quickly becoming popular and mainstream worldwide in terms of payment. Its blockchain and code base gave rise to offshoots such as Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, both of which are competing to be the most popular cryptocurrency for everyday use. The Ethereum world of decentralized applications, or dApps, is quickly gaining traction, and it's behind a slew of tokens built on its platform, including Populous. Others, including Dash, have staked similar claims and carved out niches in both emerging and developed markets, including Zimbabwe and Spain. Additionally, Neo has the makings of a dark horse. It is aimed at the smart economy, and it is working with the Chinese government to expand the country's cryptocurrency ecosystem. It has also partnered with the Japanese Ministry of Economy and announced a strategic alliance with Microsoft China. Moving down the list, however, reveals cryptocurrencies that require investors to have a high level of tolerance for risk. Tron, for example, a recently popular cryptocurrency, lacks a product and has an inexperienced founder, but is quickly gaining popularity and could become the next big thing. Next up in our crypto news, Terra and Luna have relaunched, and people are not so happy about it. Only 3 weeks after the Terra blockchain collapsed and Terra USD lost its value to the dollar, a new Terra blockchain cryptocurrency, dubbed Terra 2.0 or Luna 2.0, is set to launch. In the process, a new Luna coin will be minted. So here's everything you need to know. A new version of the defunct Luna cryptocurrency is already available on major exchanges, and it's off to a very rocky start. Just last week, Terra blockchain supporters voted to resurrect Luna, but not Terra USD, a so-called stablecoin that fell below its intended stable value to the dollar, causing panic in the cryptocurrency market. Terra USD, also known as UST, is, or was, an algorithmic stablecoin. It relied on code and a sister token Luna to keep its value at $1. However, as digital currency prices fell dramatically in late May, investors fled the stablecoin, sending UST plummeting and Luna with it. The old Luna, now known as Luna Classic, had a circulating supply of more than $40 billion at its peak, which was of course lost after the market crash. However, Luna has a new iteration, Terra 2.0, according to investors. It is already available on exchanges such as Bybit, KuCoin, and Huobi. Additionally, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has recently announced that it will list Luna and their new cryptocurrency. Its debut, however, has not gone over well with the crypto community. According to online reports, after reaching a high of $19.53, Luna fell as low as $4.39 just hours later. It has since stabilized at around $5.90. Not very impressive compared to what we knew Luna as before. Analysts are skeptical of Terra's resurrected blockchain's chances of success. Furthermore, Terra is distributing Luna tokens via what is known as an airdrop. In an effort to compensate investors, the majority will go to those who held Luna Classic and UST prior to their collapse. However, many investors who were burned by the debacle are unlikely to trust Terra ever again. According to crypto experts, there has been a massive loss of confidence in the project, and whether it can be restored completely, no one is certain. Finally, crypto giant Binance has raised over $500 million for a new venture capital fund. Here's what you need to know. Binance, the current largest cryptocurrency exchange in the globe, is launching its very own venture capital fund. Binance Labs, the company's venture arm, announced just recently that it has raised $500 million for its first startup fund, with support from venture capital firms DST Global and Breyer Capital, as well as unnamed family offices and corporations. It comes after Andreessen Horowitz announced a massive $4.5 billion fund to invest in crypto startups last week. Binance Labs intends to invest the funds in companies developing Web3. Though the term is still vague, Web3 refers to a hypothetical future iteration of the internet that is more decentralized than current online platforms and incorporates blockchain, the shared digital ledgers that power most major cryptocurrencies. Binance's new fund is being launched at a time when Bitcoin and other digital currencies are experiencing significant declines. Bitcoin has dropped by more than half since hitting an all-time high of nearly $69,000 in November last year. This has taken a toll on publicly traded crypto companies like Coinbase, whose stock has dropped 69% since the beginning of 2022. Investors are concerned that the downturn will spread to privately held crypto startups as well. However, Binance Labs is hoping to take advantage of the recent drop in digital assets to find founders working on what it sees as the next big thing in technology. Its investments will be divided into three categories: pre-seed, early stage, and growth equity, and the fund will invest in both tokens and shares. Additionally, Binance Labs' portfolio includes Forbes, the business news magazine, and Sky Mavis, the company behind the popular non-fungible token game Axie Infinity. It was also a backer of Terraform Labs, the troubled Singapore-based startup behind the failed stablecoin Terra. Binance also had intended to purchase a $500 million stake in Twitter in order to support Elon Musk's bid, where he hoped to acquire the social media service, a move that the company believed would help it achieve its goal of bringing social media and Web3 together. They could still be doing this, but we now know that Musk is no longer purchasing Twitter. Finally, according to online statistics, the firm handled over $490 billion in spot trading volume in March 2022 alone. So as you can see, they are more than qualified for this new project and could potentially see major success. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.